Hello, I can't see you.
There's Matilda. She's in the garden picking the beans.
Hello.
Are there any beans up there?
There's a big one right here. Right here.
Okay, can you pull it, please? Don't yank it. Because the man of the house be very upset. This is the beans, pole beans. Show it to everybody, the pole beans. Yes, this is what we add in the cooking show. We got beans in the steamer right now. So yes, this is the garden. And Matilda picking the beans. Oh, thank you, Matilda, so much. You do very good job.
There's another one right here. What else?
That should be enough for now.
Okay.
You may get down, careful. Be very careful, please. We have no insurance liability. Thank you very, very much. Okay, now we tell the people, we go back. Oh, excuse me. Hello, this is my finger. We go back upstairs for part 2. Hello, doggy. They're wondering, what the heck are they doing? Barry's going to crack up. Okay. See, Barry? Barry, this is not for the show. This is for us. I want you to show Barry that you got some beans.
The beans, Barry.
Yeah,
Nice.
she's got the beans.
I'm
So
full of
it's
beans.
proof. Well, that's besides the point. So that's proof
Proof.
that we got beans
Yeah.
for the show, part 2, starting very soon.
Yeah.
Just a moment, please. Say bye-bye to Barry and Margaret.
Bye
Bye.
bye. Ciao.